Hi guys, we are Rail Rangers. Stay tuned for my adventure here on the Monkey Business's YouTube channel. Bye!
I believe I can fly.
In the middle of the city, noisy and smoky, there's a new hero who is great at the creep walk. They don't come from another planet or from mansions. They are simple animals whose mission at the train station is to save the oppressed. A dog, a cat, and a mischievous monkey. When they come together, evil will be destroyed. Even with their eyes closed, they are always excited to save their fellow beings. Wearing a cape and a mask, they watch out in the night for those they can save from being ambushed by the minions of demons like you. My advice is not at the train station or the tracks. Just go somewhere else. To those who call for help, they are the Railway Rangers, a beacon and light for the oppressed. So if you are in danger, don't forget to raise your voice. Railway Rangers, Railway Rangers, the rails, enemy of darkness, aligned with what is right. A dog, a cat, and a monkey, true friends. Their lyricism sharp, to the wicked they will slay. Yeah, Railway Rangers in the house, yo. We've simplified our attacks straight from the metro. The jerks on the rails will go home beaten black and blue. Too bad for them if they don't borrow face from an asshole. For the oppressed, here are the real heroes of the runway. Railway Rangers ready to retaliate against the villains. If you're a snatcher or a rapist, you can't operate here because the train tracks are the weapon here. As the judge, have mercy on us, please. We are so tired. We just had more Chino and longanisa for our meal.
Gusto tayong 1,000, walang papasok.
Gusto tayong 1,000, walang papasok.
Tara, walang papasok pero walang laman.
I am Bantai, the leader of the group. My sense of smell is sharp. I can smell who the fools are.
Walang papasok
With my
kundi
every bark,
butas.
the thieves panic with how fast I run. They can't get into position with my cape flapping. I'm a blur in the night, dropping truth bombs, shining a light. It's so bright, no need for a gun, no need for wealth. The bite of justice, that is my weapon. You sadistic violator will get a taste. Unsung is the name, a shadow in the dark. My claws are sharp, I can easily climb any wall. I'm so graceful, like a dog.